What do you think, little Sparky? You're not digging this at all. Little Bob's getting ready to go on vacation to Maricopa. 2 nights in the wilderness looking for rattlesnakes, riding quads, bonfires, you name it. Should be a major adventure. Unfortunately, there is no communications with mankind, so I will be unable to post. So you will have to wait with bated breath for more action-packed drone and quad riding videos. But stay tuned. I shall be back Sunday to post more adventures videos.
Here, it's got something right here that it ate, I think.
Ooh, there's gonna be something in there when we dissect it. Oh, adventure seekers! Look what we found. It just got ran over in the road. Since we saw it die and knew it wasn't decomposed yet, I think we can salvage the skin. That should be fun. What an adventure. Stay tuned. 4-footer. Some nice rattles there too, man. Let's hear them. Yep, that's a rattler. All right, adventure seekers. To prepare a skin of a rattlesnake, first you take a razor blade and you cut down the middle of the beast all the way to the rattlers. Next, we will take the skin off. That should be fun. Get rid of that head. All right, adventure seekers. The next step is to clean up the skin. Lay it skin down on the board and nail it and then salt it. Like this snake was good at eating rats. At least a few of them. Good snake. Too bad I had to get run over. All right. All right, adventure seekers. Done with this part, which is finding a board big enough to hold snake skin and putting the nails all along the edges to hold it down. And then we'll be putting salt all over it and letting it sit out in the shaded outside sun, not the direct sun, but in the shade for several days. Right here. Okay, adventure seekers, done with the last step in this process. Not the last step, but a step for right now. Nice liberal coating of salt. Of course, it gets soaked up pretty quickly, so you have to keep adding it over the next couple days. Don't be afraid to use too much. I don't think you can use too much. I'm not sure. I'm no expert, but just want to keep this thing salted down for a couple days while it dries out. Then we get to take it off and use lano to soften it up. Okay, stay tuned for more adventures. Be in Maricopa for the next 3 days. Riding, so I won't be able to post. After that, lots of videos to entertain you. Stay tuned.